Welcome. In front of me is the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So, to get started, we will open up our standalone contacts application that looks like this right over here. We don't need to allow notifications, that's completely redundant. These are just contacts. Anyway, in here, you want to navigate to Organize, and then swipe down and look for Manage SIM. When you click on it, give it a moment. This might be a flagship device, but it sure as hell doesn't act like one. There we go, it finally loaded the contacts. So once it loads the contacts, on my end, they're all deselected. Let me actually gonna quickly change the settings. Display and dark theme. So you can see this a little bit better now. So here we have all the checkboxes, and I can't select them because these contacts already exist in the contacts list. Now this is a drop-down menu, and I do have a Google account signed in. The reason I'm pointing that out is because if you don't have a Google account signed in, you actually will not see this save to location, as the device will import this to the only other option, which is the phone itself. That is actually also the option that I recommend choosing, because let's be honest, a lot of the people nowadays are a little bit more privacy concerned, and you're basically uploading their own contacts without their permission for Google to see, assign, and possibly sell. So this seems like a very cunty thing to do from Google, because basically they want you to upload it by default. I mean, that's what they're trying to do to them, so they have control over this and they can do whatever the shit they want with it. I personally dislike that, because go piss off from everyone's data. You can effing buy it like everyone else does from you. So yeah, so I'm gonna select the device, and that's what I recommend choosing it yourself. Both of them give you about the same kind of control over the contact with the same options. The only difference is whatever contacts you import here won't show up on other devices that have this Google account signed in, unlike if you import them to the actual account. So that's one thing. Another thing that Google does if I select account is they usually try to delete these contacts from your SIM card, because God effing forbid you could keep your own data if they want you to keep it on their servers and rely on them, giving them even more control. How about no? So anytime it shows up with asking you, oh, delete the contacts from your SIM card, yeah, go piss off and select no. Oh, like it's doing right now. No, you do not get to delete these contacts. We're gonna keep them. Now the reason we're gonna keep them is because, let me show you why. If we go to our contacts list, guess what doesn't show here? Our SIM card contacts, which means they never get in our way. You know what also we can find in here? We can find categories. We can choose to show contacts from all contacts, Google account contacts, or the device. And again, guess what doesn't show up here? The freaking SIM card, which again means these contacts never get in our way. And guess what you have access to if this phone breaks? That would be correct, your SIM card, which you can pop into another device and import it again. Which, why in a reasonable mind would you ever want to delete data that is yours and is being stored locally on your own SIM that you have access to? You shouldn't. That's basically the gist of it. The only reason why Google wants you to do it, because it then makes you rely on them. Another thing is, when you import your contacts to the device, you better believe it, Google sure as shit won't like that, and they will be pestering you about importing the data to the cloud, so we can again hoover the shit out of it and sell it. Obviously select no. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.